Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some homemade garlic naan bread, which I think is so delicious, and it paired super well with my butter chicken that I made another recipe for. So if you want to see it, go look on the channel, but otherwise let's get into it. So we're going to start by taking our yeast, some warm water, and then some brown sugar, and we're going to put all of those into a bowl, and then we're going to mix it all up until it's all combined super well. And your yeast is going to kind of like go off the rails, so I just scraped it off the side, and then you're going to let that sit for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we're going to add in our milk. I did oat milk, and then our yogurt. I did cashew yogurt from Trader Joe's, and I honestly feel like with the cashew yogurt it makes it a lot like fluffier. And then we're going to add our oil, which I use this sunflower oil, minced garlic, and then salt, and we're going to put some baking powder in there, and then our flour. So after we have all of those ingredients in the bowl, we're going to use our hands and we're just going to mix all of it together. And you're basically just going to fold from the bottom up because there's going to be all the liquid on the bottom. And you want to make sure you like get all of it together. So you're just going to sit here and mix and mix and mix. You're just going to do that until you get basically everything off the side of the bowl. There's still going to be like a little bit of flour, and that's okay. But we want to basically get everything that's in the bowl combined together, and then we're going to put it on a floured surface, and that's when we're going to knead it into like actual dough. It is going to be really sticky, so you are going to have to use more dough than what you put into the bowl in the like initially, and then like you're going to have to continuously flour the surface and flour your bread, and also flour your fingers to get all of the dough off of there. But it's not like, the more you do it and the more you use the flour, it's going to come off pretty easy. So we're just going to knead it until it looks like this. Spray our bowl with avocado oil, and then put our dough back in the bowl and cover it with a towel, and then let it sit for an hour. After an hour, it should raise up and look like this, and we're just going to take it out of the bowl, and we're going to break it off into pieces. So I think I got 8 pieces out of this. So you're literally just going to break them off into like fist-sized ball pieces. After you've broken them all up, make sure that they don't touch each other, because if they touch each other, they will stick back together. And this dough is a little sticky, so just be prepared for that. But you don't need to use any more oil or anything. And then we're just going to roll the bread out with a rolling pin, and mine's huge, so I have to like angle it. And we're gonna do this with every single piece, but I like to roll mine out before I put them on the skillet. So we're gonna take a skillet on medium-high heat, and you're going to put oil in the skillet, and then you're just gonna throw the bread in there, and you're going to add some garlic butter and spread that on each side. So we're gonna cook this side for 2 minutes with the garlic butter on the opposite side, and then what we're going to do is we're going to flip it and then add garlic butter onto the other side and cook it for 2 minutes. And that's it. Super delicious, super tasty, nice, light, and fluffy. But if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.